भाजपा सरकार समाजाक वांगडा घेवन चलता हे काँग्रेसीक खटकता। चड सिटां मेळूनय सरकार स्थापीत करपाक जमुना हे काँग्रेसीक पचना म्हण टिका पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन केल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Congress basically has lost its moorings, and from the time in spite of getting more seats they were not able to even stake a claim. I think they have lost the road to even decent recovery in politics. Sometimes you do suffer in politics and you recover. There is no such sign, and there is confusion after confusion. A few people just keep saying something and then they keep contradicting each other. So what political value does that have? So people are seeing through the whole game. Whereas as far as the BJP is concerned, it has been a case of marching towards progress, doing something good for the people, building infrastructure. You see in entire Goa, somewhere or other, lot of development is taking place, and the results are there to see. I think in a couple of years, when some of these projects are ready, people will really start thinking differently, and they will further realize that this propaganda, which is negative propaganda, which is done by the opposition, is bound to fall flat. Because the mantra of the BJP government, whether at the center or in the state, is all-round development of Goa, inclusive growth of the Goan people without isolating anybody. Take people along with you and develop it in a manner which will improve the quality of life of India, of Goa. That is our principle. Is there anything wrong in that? So that is what they cannot digest. At one time they shouted so much against GST. They shouted so much against demonetization. Now the figures are there to speak. The GDP, it has grown from 5.7 to 6.3, which is the talking point everywhere. They said the BJP has finished the nation. Economically we have gone down. Just because one quarter there was no growth, is it going to be the norm? And which I have been shouting from the top of the roof. And you will see in the further quarters, in the further years, what demonstrative effect it is going to have as far as actually seeing the actualization of benefits even to the common man of this country. When there is a buoyancy, overall rise in the taxes, even with GST, then there is more money for development. There is more money for doing more positive things, and that is what is going to happen, which the opposition can't digest.